guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
With Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
Because I won't let you.
No doubt.
Well, back on our Saturday night. Play night in the Venom garage.
Woohoo.
Always fun.
It is. What's this, part 3 of our beginner series?
It is. So far we started off with our swipes with the good old playing cards. Bubbles' choice, the Joker.
Yep.
Suits Wombat just fine. We did our Wonder Pillow.
Last week?
Yep, Wonder Pillow coasters with no CA.
Yep, no cell activated. Just paint.
And plain old fun.
That's it.
So this week, we're going to do Bloom Fun.
Bloom coasters.
Yep. I thought, why not?
Nice little hexagonal coaster there.
Absolutely. So, I've got a little bit of a floating pillow going on, so that just means I got quite a lot of pillow paint down there.
It moves when you tilt it.
Yeah. I really should describe that better one day, but not today. We'll let Wombat do that.
Rightio.
Bubbles hasn't turned over a new leaf. She just likes to paint.
We've noticed.
Yeah, it's all right, though. You know?
I see.
Yeah. All right, so.
Blue.
Got a bit of my taffy going down. This is my new love. This is one I got from our amazing friend Georgianne. It's mahogany. And yes, Georgianne, I'm still using it. It's been in nearly every painting since you sent it my way.
She's addicted.
I am very addicted. I'm going to cry when it runs out, I tell you. All right. A little bit of that.
Delightful.
A little bit goes a long way. Now, I think I'll put this sexy pink down.
What?
Yeah, I know. I'm mixing it up lately.
That's not like you.
Yeah, I know. I'm not sticking to my normal palettes lately. Everything's just been very different. So I've sort of evolved that way this year.
Oh.
I'm daring to try a bit of everything this year.
Nice.
Hence I'm using pink. You know?
It's a lovely pink, that.
It's super cool because it's been wombatted.
It has. Colour
So,
shifts.
in that case, it's pretty freaking cool. But, in saying that, I'm going to go over it with Southern Ocean Blue. Because, you know, it's Bubbles.
Figures.
So I'm just moving my colours around just so... Not doing anything special. But I am sort of spreading them out a bit so I get a bit of that colour movement everywhere.
Yeah.
I don't want block style colours, if that makes sense.
Yep.
I want to sort of go for them multi-coloured cell effects if I can get it. Well, she'll see. And my last colour that I've been sprinkling everywhere since Billy sent it my way is my abalone.
It's a lovely colour, that.
I'm in love. It's getting up there with taffy for Bubbles, this colour. It's just...
Lovely, isn't it?
So I think we'll put a little bit around there. Like that. So I think that is more than enough colour going on for this little tile.
I'd say so.
Alright, so I'll put that down. Now I'm not going to worry about torching the bubbles, I'm just going to stick my skewer in them. So, if you want, sort of walked on me a little bit, you can always just tilt it.
Walk it back.
Walking back, close enough. That's how fussy Bubbles is. Make sure the mini blower is awake, or you could blow it out by mouth.
You could.
Which we might do that soon. Haven't done that for a while, so it could be funny to watch us two try and blow a bloom.
Yeah, it's been a while.
We might challenge ourselves with that because it's been over a year easily.
And some.
So we might do the no mini blower blow bloom week.
Oh my goodness.
Put us both under the bus. Now I go for the centre, puff as I spin, start to move it away from the centre so it doesn't pool and Alrighty.
Salalicious.
Yep. So once again, I'm very much the same as this is when I do radials. I like thick CA.
Yeah.
And the thing is, you don't get the instant gratification, but if you can have the patience, you will get better formed cells.
Yeah.
And when you spin it, it's highly less likely. I'm just going to top up my sides here to make sure all the sides are wet. It's, yeah, a lot less likely.
It's going to wonk the cells.
It's going to wonk the cells if it's that little bit thicker. Sometimes you can sort of find when you're starting out with blooms, if your CA is that little bit too thin, you could get to the stage where I am right now and it looks amazing.
Yeah.
And then you spin it and let it sit for a bit and you think, what happened?
Yeah.
CA was too thin is what happened.
Yep, they all disappear.
So, you can either leave it as it is, or you can add a bit of character if you want to. It is your bloom, so it is entirely up to you. And I don't think this really needs a lot, because I actually like some of these features around the edges too. But I don't like always to have the big blocks there like that.
Yeah.
Because when they do spin, they just only get bigger.
Yeah.
Depends on what you're going for.
Exactly. Everyone's different.
Absolutely. But to me, there's no wrong or right to art. It's what you like. It's your piece of art. If someone says to you, well, you shouldn't have done that because that's not how you do it, well...
It's how you do it.
It's how you do it.
That's right.
But, you know, everyone's entitled to their opinion.
Even if they're wrong.
They're like bottoms. They are. They're like bottoms. Everyone's got one. Doesn't mean it's right or wrong. It's an opinion, not a fact.
Yeah, let's see.
Alright, here we go. That's pretty cool.
That does look super good.
So when you got the thicker pillow, and it's this size tile again,
Yeah.
still got to give it a good spin, because you've got to think it's only spinning in on itself in this
That's
size
right.
spinner.
There isn't enough weight for the paint to
Actually
throw out.
move out. So you've got to let the spinner do its work and give it a little bit extra movement. And we're nearly there. One more should do that. Alright.
Boom. How pretty is that?
Mini coaster fun.
Mini coaster blooms. They're fun.
Jeez, I love them colours. They're not
Not overpowering.
not popping out at you, but they definitely make a statement.
Yeah. Alright, we'll do a flyover of that one.
I love coasters. I'm so glad. We haven't done this for ages and it's super fun.
When I first started getting into this, like, full on,
Yeah.
how many coasters would I do a day? 50?
Easily. Easily.
You know, 7 days a week, 50 a day.
I got that many coasters here. If anyone wants to buy any, just let me know.
They add up real quick, believe me.
Quicker than what you can sell them, actually, when it's at that level.
Yeah, that's like, what? Well, this is the 6th year now.
Yes, it is. So, Bubbles has a shitload of coasters. Not enough walls.
No.
Alrighty. Well, I'm pretty proud of that.
I love it.
Love that centre.
It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Nice job, Bubbles.
Thanking you.
Alrighty, we'll press pause and I'll have a go.
Awesome.
Okie dokie.
We're back. Bloom fun.
Bloom fun.
I used to love when I first started coming out in the garage and practicing blooms on these coasters. Definitely a lot of fun this size.
I love doing 4-inch ones.
Yeah,
Always have.
they are a hell of a lot of fun.
Definitely my favourite to do.
And definitely the best size to start.
Yeah, you don't use hardly any paint.
No. You can get some amazing effects too on something small.
You can.
They're a really good confidence builder.
I like them.
Really good confidence builder. Because it's not really easy when you first start out. You've really got no clue. You're watching 20 different people do things, thinking who's right, who's wrong.
Yeah, exactly.
And then a lot of people don't take into account what country the person's from that's actually painting.
Yeah, we've all used some different stuff.
Yeah, that alone can make a huge difference, can't it?
Makes a massive difference. You know, Aussie paint is way different to American paint.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Or European paint. It's all different. Especially the house paints for the poorer mediums.
Yeah, dramatically different, aren't they?
Just from brand to brand over here. They're all different, so... Alright. So Activator. Blob of that. A little drop more.
Beautiful and bright colours.
There's George.
There he is. Fire up, George.
Alright. Got a bit deep in one bit. Whoops.
Ah. Nothing that a skewer won't fix, people.
Because I'm old and blind these days. I need glasses so bad.
You've been in denial for years. You might finally go to the optometrist this year.
Yeah, maybe.
Or next year.
Actually, last time I was going to go, we ended up having a lockdown, didn't we?
Yep.
There you go.
And that sort of wrecked that idea.
Yeah, it did. I missed out.
But it hasn't stopped you for the last 4 years, dear.
Well...
You've had 4 years since then. Just saying.
Well,
Good try.
Yeah. I've been busy.
Yeah.
It takes a lot of time to do these videos.
Of course.
That's my excuse. I'm sticking to it.
Okay. See, I'm just going, okay.
Yeah. I like the way you think.
Fair enough.
Well, if there's bits you don't like, you just
Oh, that's gorgeous, though.
mess with. I know it's going to spread out anyway, so...
What do you mean, bitch, you don't like about that? It's freaking stunning, you moron.
Oh, go bubbles.
I just like what I like.
Alright, I'm going to give that some little bit of time to do its thing.
And that's another thing us artists are worse at. Well, actually really good at. Being our own worst critic.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Alright, give that a blowtorch, get some bubbles out of it. Otherwise, what happens is, if you've got bubbles in it, and you spin it out, they're going to spread. And get bigger and bigger as you spin it out more.
And sometimes I love that. Especially if it pops through a different colour, that is super cool.
Yeah, well, it is.
Can have its advantages. Depends on what you like.
Yeah. Alright, we'll give this one a spin.
Yeah, that's nuts.
Pretty.
I love it. What, and you thought you couldn't bloom after months and months off? Sure.
Well, you got to keep it up, mate. You know?
You actually really do.
Yeah, you got to keep the practice up with blooms. Otherwise, if you don't use it, you lose it. Trust me. All right.
That's when Bubbles might get a win.
Yeah, I know, right? Okie dokie. We'll do a flyover of that one.
I've got to get one somehow.
Really?
Yeah, well, I headbutted the middle of my bloom last week with the mini blower, remember?
That wasn't last week, darling.
Wasn't it? That was
No.
weeks ago.
We're way in the future
We're
now.
way in the future now. Well, there you go. Some time ago I did that.
It was like 4 weeks ago, 5 weeks ago.
Probably won't be the last time either.
No, definitely not.
All right, well, that's number 4 of our little 4-inch tiles.
Number 4,
Number 4 in our series.
was it?
Yeah, absolutely. Or is this number 3? Holy crap.
Blondie can't count.
Well, that's because you we had to do it again, see? So it really is number 4.
Rightio then. So, if you like that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Oops.
That way you get to see all this as we release it. Okie dokie. That's it from us, so have fun. Take care. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a fantastic day. Go get messy.